Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together. Welcome back.
We have returned.
Hopefully for some good things to
Yes, come. Listen. You know, you gotta wing it. You gotta try a few new things. Okay, all right, I'm gonna stop. All right, so this episode, we are doing something different. It is called the Breakfast Daisy. Now, doesn't that sound refreshing?
Yeah.
I think we'll be okay.
Hopefully, because we're down 2 for me right now. It can only go up from here, hopefully.
Yeah, I think you gave that last one a 0.
It's 0.
All right, finito. So let's run through the ingredients. We have one other ingredient we have not tried before, so we're gonna taste that, and then we'll assemble.
Go from there.
Okay. So we're gonna need a mezcal in this case. Which kind is that? I can't
El
remember.
Silencio.
Oh, well, that's beautiful right
Yes,
there. Okay.
black bottle.
Yes, okay, the El Silencio. We're gonna do the Oompa Loompa, the Pamplemousse, what is it called?
Giffard.
No, that's the brand, babe.
Oh.
We have slices of grapefruit for garnish. We have some kosher salt, some lime juice, and I made some Earl Grey syrup. Obviously, I had to make it in preparation for our shoot, but if you want to make this, we'll list it, how to do so in the comment section. It's pretty easy. You basically steep 2 Earl Grey tea bags and let that cool down. You add some sugar,
right?
You shake it, you let it cool, basically. All right, okay, so let's start with the mezcal.
Mezcal, fair enough.
Okay, so we're gonna do 2 ounces of this.
2 ounces?
Yes, 2 ounces, baby.
It's not the same.
I know.
We need you to say half an ounce. I think that would
Oh, yeah, but it's 2 ounces, so.
Silencio.
So I'm scared. It's called El Silencio. Like, I mean, it's about to silence eyes.
I love this
like,
brand though. I ain't even gonna hold you.
This is the one you be drinking all the time, right? Okay,
Keep this on hand.
So she know what she's talking about. 0.75 ounces of the fresh lime juice. So you know what it is.
Liquor math.
Liquor math. Hold a little off the top.
There you go. Ciao.
Do we have Power Rangers upstairs?
I don't know.
What do we think?
Is it morphing time?
Is it morphin' time?
It's morphin' time!
Half an ounce of our Earl Grey syrup.
Child. What those kids be watching these days? I might have to start my own YouTube channel because I'm like, why am I seeing too many adults on my kids shows?
Oops, sorry.
You know, I used to see like people in costumes or something, you know? I'm just saying, when back in my day.
We had a lot of we had Nickelodeon was full blown at that point.
What was this?
Half an ounce.
Half, okay.
You know.
And that was a lie in our childhood, apparently.
Man.
But we're not going to get into that.
But I will just say, if you haven't seen the documentary, go ahead and ruin your childhood. Half an ounce of the Pamplemousse.
Pample?
I think it's called Pamplemousse. How you say that?
Pamplemousse.
Okay.
And what is it?
Half an ounce.
Half an ounce.
Half an ounce, baby. They say a pinch of kosher salt, and so I'm gonna do a little shake. It's coarse, so I would do a little, you know, because it's, yeah, like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and shake this up.
Oh, it's a pretty color.
Is it? Ooh, okay.
I might keep this one. Oh, I got reserved.
Oh. And we are gonna, so now how are we supposed to maybe I should have cut up these grapefruits a little bit more.
I got some extra.
We're supposed to garnish with these grapefruit, but
good gosh.
I should have cut it in half.
I just want a small.
That's not a small one. All right, next time we cut these in half. Can I see that real quick?
See what?
The napkin.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like scared mine is gonna like, we'll just do that. But next time, cut it in quarters. I probably could have just made sense of that. Anyway, let's taste it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh.
What did my nephew always say?
Oh.
Yeah, baby, oh yeah. That's exactly what it is. Yes, yes,
Oh.
yes. This is it. I'll let you go first. Though.
Oh my God.
So
Okay.
I'm gonna take another sip.
Okay, hold on. Another sip. All right. Yeah.
It's 95 degrees. Wait, no.
It's 7 p.m. Friday, 95 degrees. I
don't see that part. Do I see that part?
So I'm gonna shut up. Anyway, all right. So this is delicious.
Jesus, this is good.
So okay,
I might have to take a little bit of Pamplemousse.
girl. Yeah, of course. And you can take the Earl Grey because I can just brew that. I can brew that. Okay, so. Listen, I've been really into the cocktails that use the Earl Grey syrups and whatnot. I think they're really creative. The smokiness of the Mezcal matched with the citrus of the Pamplemousse and the lime juice and that little bit of sodium from the Kosher salt.
Yes.
And the Earl Grey also provides an edge. It's just really it's a cohesive.
It really works.
Cocktail. It's just really nice.
Universal.
It's just good. You guys definitely need to try this. I tend to be skeptical about grapefruit inspired cocktails because I don't love grapefruit. But this is really good.
This is good.
I just feel like all of the elements that are added into to make this cocktail, it just works. It just works. So I'm gonna give this a 9.5, at least a 9.5. I can absolutely see myself spying on my nosy ass neighbor, drinking one of these, being like, what is she up to in her muumuu and her slippers today, okay? Yeah, because that's a whole nother story. We'll do that another time. But delicious. It's giving me...
It really is. It really is.
I definitely should be on somebody's beach drinking this right now.
And then a nap afterward.
And yeah, a nap for sure. Poolside or oceanside, however it works out. What are your thoughts?
I like this. And this is definitely a change because we on what? Cocktail number 3? And I'm glad. It's an upside to it.
It is, yeah.
I'm gonna give this a solid 10. I have no complaints about it. I actually like this. I'm a little apprehensive when it comes to grapefruit because it's a little tart. But overall, this is a solid drink. I think everything works well and balances out together. Definitely gonna make this at home from time to time. So yeah, this is a recipe I'm gonna put in my books for home. Yeah.
Yes. And to be fair, when we were going through and looking at a range of cocktails to choose from for tequila and mezcal, we're like, what we can't do is a margarita. We can't do another margarita.
No.
So that's why we've maybe had a couple misses because we've been a little adventurous. But this one, I think, hit the mark.
It really did.
Yeah. So y'all need to go ahead and try this, okay? Like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know what you think. Yes, ring that little dangly thing, okay? Little dangly thing. I will tell you this. I was today years old, or at least last week years old, before I had heard of Pamplemousse liqueur.
You learn something every day?
Never in life. And this brand, Giffard, was the exact one that they recommended in the description for the recipe. So I don't know. I'm assuming there probably are other brands of Pamplemousse. Oh, it even says on the back. Let's look at this. Creme de Pamplemousse / grapefruit. For 5 generations, the Giffard family has cared passionately about the quality of our offerings, and we take care to ensure that our customers are able to enjoy them at their best. Pink grapefruit peels are steam distilled and blended to extract the intense, bright, aromatic essential oils contained within. Okay, that's real bougie, but it's grapefruit tasting, okay? It's grapefruit leaning. That's what they
Grapefruit leaning for
grapefruit leaning.
Okay. Yeah.
So anywho, so what I'm saying is
Get it, make it,
do and
drink it.
all of that, but explore other things that you can use to incorporate it. It's summertime. We should be pushing our citruses.
Get outside the box.
Yes.
Test your horizons.
Everybody loves a margarita. Everybody likes.
Oh, I'm basic. What do you say? All the basic batches.
All the basic batches.
No, we don't want margaritas. We're not doing margaritas. It's 2024. Let's go outside our box and do something different. We ain't never knew nothing about no Pamplemousse.
I didn't know nothing about.
And now we know about Pamplemousse.
Or Pamplemousse or Pampalampa, whatever.
I don't want that. That sounds like a diaper.
It do. Sorry.
Good
Ooh,
child.
I don't need to go back that way.
Anyways, but like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you ring that bell, the little dangly thing for some of y'all that like Jerome. And you know what? And subscribe. Like, just let us know what other drinks, that cocktails that we never even heard of, or you want us to try or whatever. Just let us know. Because if we don't know, how can we know?
How would we know?
How would we know?
How would we know? And I'm just saying, it's summertime, so we're definitely into trying new summertime feels. Okay, so yeah, let's get into it. In the meantime, we're gonna enjoy this. Y'all go get the ingredients and make you one, and let us know what you think. Okay.